If you ever hear heels clicking after midnight, Koi, 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 run, because Madame Koi Koi walks again. She was once a teacher, Victoria Owusu, elegant, beautiful, and feared. Her red high heels echoed through the halls of St. Augustine's Secondary School, each step a warning that punishment was coming. One stormy night, her students had enough. There was shouting, pushing, and then silence. She fell down the stairs, her red heels stained in blood. The school called it an accident, but everyone knew the truth. Weeks later, the footsteps came back. Koi, Koi, Koi. A heavy floral scent drifted through the empty hallway, and a soft voice whispered names of the living. Grace, Blessed, Thomas. They say her ghost still walks the abandoned schools of West Africa, searching for the ones who wronged her. If you hear her steps, don't turn around. Koi, Koi, Koi. Madame Koi Koi, the sound of doom, Theo Grimm, nightmare folklore. Some stories never die. They just wait for nightfall.